How to start a group chat on Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can start a group chat on Facebook Messenger. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your Messenger application and you want to make sure you're logged into your account. You should get an interface like this. Now you want to simply open up a single chat that you want to start a group conversation with. Now once you do so, what you want to do is you want to tap on the eye icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you should get an interface like this. Scroll down below and here you should see the option to create group chat. Here you can see above share contact, there create group chat with Vishal option. Simply tap on it and here you'll be able to add others. Simply select number of users that you want to add. You can add in group name if you want. Here I'll just type in HTA and then you can simply tap on OK at the top right corner of your screen and your groups will be created. So this way you can easily start group chat on Facebook Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.